here we are, driving the 3-mile loop of the nature walk. I've seen ibises, pin-tailed ducks. I saw a couple of turtles, lily pads in bloom like we're passing right now. They call this a bayou. I also saw my first alligator. He was really quiet until he noticed I noticed him. And then he jumped into the water and he turned around and just put his eyes above the water and watched me for a while. Yeah, like he was contemplating lunch. We're coming to a patch right now of some open water with some beautiful lily pads on them. Amazing bird life out here today.